It's always a great time coming out to IAAPA. Really enjoy it because I email customers throughout the year, but then when I come here I get to put the name to the face, and I get to interact with them, see how they've been doing throughout the year, and I always enjoy that a lot.
Before we exhibited at IAAPA, we were buyers at IAAPA. For anybody who's never been to this trade show, it's a must-do. For you to not take the time out of your schedule to come down to Florida for a week and walk through this show, you're doing yourself a disservice.
Hello everybody, my name is Nathan Large. This is my wife Jennifer Large. These are our little ones, Gavin and Sydney. So we just want to tell you a little bit about our experience with Tent and Table. Started our company really in March of this year. Yeah, Hometown Amusement Creations is the name of our company. We probably own about 15 to 18 units that are Tent and Table. Quality's great. Safety features, we love the entrance. The tubes on the entrance, they're awesome. The netting, the nice D-ring mounts, all the equipment has been great quality.
We have a small business called Swiss Miami and Paris Rentals. We have been buying from Tent and Table since many years ago and always receive a good quality in all the tables and the tents.